friends, welcome to Enjoy Food and Travel. I hope you all are well. Today we are going to make Indian layered flatbread. For that you need 2 cups of wholemeal flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, a little black pepper, 1 cup of warm milk, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, you can use regular sugar as well, and oil. So let's start our recipe. In this wholemeal flour, I'm going to add brown sugar first, around 1 teaspoon of salt,
a little black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use butter as well.
Mix all the ingredients.
Once it's mixed, we are going to gradually add milk and knead it in a soft dough. So add little milk, knead it.
You can see here we haven't used the whole milk yet. So I'm going to pour this one as well and keep kneading.
Now add little water and knead it. We need to make sure dough should be soft. Our dough is ready. You can see it's soft. Now I'm going to apply a little oil so our dough don't get dry. Cover and let it sit for 10 minutes. Our dough is ready. Take a plain flour and you need rolling pin as well. Take a little portion of dough. Make a dough ball. Now coat it with plain flour and we are going to roll this dough ball into a 1/4 inch, less than 1/4 inch thickness wrap. Keep rolling. Our wrap is ready. Now brush it with oil. Now with the pizza cutter, we are going to cut into thin strips, as thin as we can. Look at the way I'm doing it. Once we cut the wrap into thin strips, we are going to roll it. So keep rolling the way I'm doing it. You can see. Hold it in your hands and gently press from the bottom and from the sides like this, and we are going to roll from one side inwards. Keep rolling, keep rolling. And with the end we are going to tuck it on the side. Just press it like this and press gently with your palm. So I'm going to prepare all the dough like this. Our layered dough balls are ready. We are going to flatten it with rolling pin into 1/4 inch thickness wrap. Take one at a time. Coat it in flour, little flour, and then flatten it. Gently flatten it or gently roll it with rolling pin.
So friends, you can see the thickness. It's not very thick, not very thin, you can see. So like this. Now I'm going to put this one aside and roll the another one.
Our other wrap is ready as well. I'm going to stack them together, but before that, brush it with oil like this. And now place it. Our flatbreads are ready. I'm going to cover and put in fridge for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take out from the fridge. We are going to heat oil in a pan. Again, I'm using olive oil here. Drop the wrap one at a time and shallow fry until it is slightly golden in color. Gently press it like this, the way I'm doing it. And let it cook for 2-3 minutes, and then we are going to turn the side. Make sure to fry the flatbread or wrap on a medium heat.
Now turn the side. Fried now. I'm going to turn this side.
Fry the other side as well until it is slightly golden in color. Our flatbread is ready. I'm going to take it out. You can see it got beautiful golden color.
Drop the another one. Now turn the side.
Our delicious flatbread is ready to serve now. You can enjoy with any curry of your choice, or it tastes very nice just as it is with tea or coffee. It's a must-try recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Enjoy food and travel. Thanks for your time. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy cooking and happy eating.